Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, aspiring investors. Stepping into the world of investing can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to choosing your first brokerage account. But don't worry, selecting the right platform is more straightforward than you might think. A good broker provides the tools and support you need to start strong, making your initial experience much smoother. It truly sets the foundation for your entire investing journey, helping you build confidence right from the start. When you're just starting out, there are a few key features to prioritize. First, look for brokers that offer low or no account minimums, and importantly, zero commissions on stock and ETF trades. This helps you keep more of your money working for you. A clean, intuitive interface is also essential, so you can easily understand where your money is and how to place trades. Plus, access to solid educational resources will be incredibly helpful as you learn the ropes. Many established brokers cater wonderfully to beginners. Fidelity, for example, is highly regarded for its comprehensive research tools and a wide array of investment choices. It's a solid all-around option for most new investors. Charles Schwab also stands out with exceptional customer service and rich educational resources, guiding you through the entire process. Both of these platforms truly prioritize user experience and support, making them excellent choices to consider. Beyond the initial features, consider what else truly matters for your long-term success. Reliable customer support is essential. You'll want help readily available if you encounter any issues or have questions. The option to buy fractional shares is also a huge plus, enabling you to invest in expensive stocks even with a smaller budget. Many top brokers also offer a wealth of educational resources like webinars and articles, helping you continuously learn and grow. As you begin your investing journey, remember to start small, with an amount you are truly comfortable with. Many brokers offer paper trading accounts, which are fantastic for practicing your strategies without risking any real money. Take your time, explore the platform, and don't feel pressured to rush into big decisions. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, so patience and consistency will be your greatest allies for building long-term wealth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.